think you are doing great in the house, isn't it, children? So, as I started with the subject social studies, I clearly explained to you that the lessons which we have started now, it is for the second term. Second term, the first lesson have been already taken. I have taken the first lesson, that is means of transport. Okay, children, I have given the half of the notes of this, and only the answer the following is left out, that I will be sending you to today. Okay, so now second lesson of your social studies. I am going to start with the second lesson of your social studies, that is means of communication. Means of communication. First lesson was means of transport, and now it is means of communication. Okay, children, the communication means what? What do you mean by communication? It is the exchange of views. You are expressing your views from one person to the another person. Okay, so different means of communications are there. What are the different types of communication? There are two types of different communications also. You will know personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication is under this mobile, letters, phones, email, telephone, etc. These are all the personal communication. Whereas when I talk about mass communication, it is newspaper, internet, radio, television, magazines. Okay, so these are all the mass communication. Understood, children? So in which news, messages and information reach a large number of people. When I am talking about mass communication, the messages are the information which you wanted to give to the people, whole people, mass. It reaches the mass people, whole world also. It may reach at the same time. At the same time, the one message can reach the world. Okay, that is only mass communication. So first, one by one, we'll come to know about the personal communication. Personal communication, first I'll talk about, that is earlier in the previous days, before this one, before the communication was there, pigeons used to carry the messages and go. Pigeons was using, or how the people used to go by foot. They used to walk and go to give one letter, okay, and messages. Later on, postal system developed. Later on, postal system came into existence. That is, it is started in the year 1837. It was started in the year 1837 by the British people. The British people, they have started the postal services. Okay, postal service, it is the oldest and also the cheapest and also very popular means of communication. It is the oldest, cheapest and the popular means of communication. Postal service, it is rendering a lot of services to the people. You all know post office. When you go to post office, what are the services post office people are doing? The postman will bring you the letter and give. He is giving you all the magazines also. Whoever has sent you something, that he is getting and giving you through parcels. Is it? And the messages can be sent through postcards. How you are sending your messages? Postcard. We seen that yellow color, the small card will be there. But nowadays that has been disappeared. Okay, when the government, if you want to send messages, they cannot write a long letter and send. So only with that postcard, it will be postcard like this size. With that they will send the messages. And inland letters, the letters you see in the blue color letters which has been folded, and in that you write one big story. Whatever your story you want to tell to the other person who is from somewhere out of the state or out of the place, location, area. You want to express something. What will do? You will write in the inland letter and send it to them. Okay, next it is the envelopes. Envelopes means in your white sheet of paper. Your white sheet of paper, if you want to write more and more stories, you want to give more and more information, you want to update to the people, maybe your relative, you want to send a message. So you will write it in a white paper and put it inside the envelope cover. Inside that you will put it and you will paste it. And moreover, it's very necessary that you have to enter the PIN code and the proper address of the addressee. Who is receiving that is called as the addressee. You have to write the proper address so they will immediately receive that. It may take time. Okay, it may take long time. Postal service, it may take long time. Instead of reaching it immediately, it may sometimes take you 1 week also to reach you. But still you will get the messages. That is your personal message. I told you, personal message. It all comes under personal messages. Next it is about the courier service. Courier service means what? It is the courier service means the service. The courier service, it is the service that is means the service of communication rendered by private companies or firms. Courier. You see, no, the boys carrying the parcels and coming with it. Oh, courier has come. In personal, you have to sign and take the things which you want to take, which is sent by others. If you want to take the thing, first of all you will have to sign it and then take personally. So the courier boys, they will deliver you the postal messages or parcels, whatever it is. Okay, for sending and delivery of letters and packets to the addressee. That is only courier. Okay, next is about the messages are sent and received instantly by the latest technology, that is email. Email means what? It is the electronic way of sending messages, electronic messages through satellite. It is sent through satellite, okay, and provides lot of information. Lot of information is sent through that, through different websites. That is only email. Next it is fax. Fax means what? It is the electronic method. It is also an electronic method of sending and recorded messages. Fax is nothing but we will talk or whatever messages you are sending, that will be recorded. Recorded messages are sent to the person in the form of letters. It may be sent in the form of letters, handbill, statement and files and etc. Okay, recorded messages can be sent to the person. That is only fax. Okay, so these are all the personal means of communication. Okay, next, internet. What is internet? When I talk about internet, you will come to know it is the mass communication. Mass communication. Okay, messages are sent and received. Okay. Next, I am talking about the telephone. The telephone, it is the popular and quickest means of communication. The telephone, it is the very quickly one can talk to the person immediately on telephones. Okay, so direct conversation between two persons, maybe office people, whatever it is. So between two persons directly you are giving conversation. Okay, so there are two types. It is divided into two, that is STD and IST. What is STD? STD means it is subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing, STD. Within the country, you can call to the person within the country. That means states, different states. How many states are there? So many states. You can talk it to the person who is within the country, not outside the country. That is only STD, subscriber trunk dialing, STD. Okay, STD means what is STD? It is subscriber trunk dialing. And next, outside the country. If the people are outside means what? Like America. Maybe your uncle is in America. or your brother is in outside the country, maybe China, wherever it is, outside the country. So for that country, you will use, that is the ISD. What is that you use? You use ISD. What is ISD? International Subscriber Dialing. International Subscriber Dialing. That is ISD. You are calling to the person who is abroad, out of the country. And when I explain within the country, that is STD. Suppose STD means, suppose you are here. You want to call to a person who is in Kerala or who is in Andhra Pradesh. So that type you will use STD. We'll tell you STD call. Means what? Subscriber dialing, trunk dialing. Okay. So within the country, that is only STD. Then outside the country, when you are calling outside the country to a foreign people, foreign country, there you are using ISD. Did you understand, children? Yes. By now you would have understood the differences between STD and ISD. Okay. So these two ways are telephone calling, telephone communication. Okay. So this is telephone communication. Next we are talking about mobile. Mobile means the way mobile means you will understand. Oh, mobile ma'am, we know ma'am. Yes ma'am, mobile we know ma'am. Yes, we know mobile. Mobile phone became so very popular. Very popular because they help us to keep in communication even with while traveling also. Is it? But previously when telephone was kept, you have to run and come to the place where the telephone is there. Because it will be connected with connected wire. It has been connected with the wire. But whereas mobile is not like that. It is giving you advantage wherever you are going. While you are traveling also, you can use your mobile and keep. While eating your food also, your spoon of food will be in your mouth and your talking will be in your mobile. So mobile, it is very, very important. You think nowadays you are using smartphone like the iPhone, okay, helps you to make calls and connect to the internet. You are sending and receiving email, take pictures, listen to music, etc. These are all done. Keeping mobile, so many activities you all are doing. Yes, no children? You play games with that. You send messages. You take pics with that. And you change the pics. You change the voice. Everything you are doing it nowadays in mobile. So children, small children, when in at the kindergarten children only, they are using the mobile. Why? To play games. Or sometimes they will use the message to paint or to see cartoons, whatever it is. So mobiles are used very largely nowadays. Okay. So now next it is a fax machine, as I already told. That is a recorded messages, written messages instantly. Okay. Next I am talking about mass communication. Mass communication. Which are the mass communications? Yes. Newspaper, internet, radio, television, magazines, all this comes under mass communication. Mass means what? Which are the messages received by the whole world. Huge number of people will come to know. Newspaper, when you are taking newspaper, suppose one small example, Deccan. Deccan paper, what is printed in only one paper, it is distributed throughout the country. Okay, whatever messages is given, everywhere the same message only will be given. The paper, the people throughout, so they will hear the same message at a time. So many people will be reading the messages at the time. So many early morning, as soon as they get up, they are after the newspaper. So they will listen, they will hear, they will read, they will come to the information, they will get information through the newspaper. They collect the information through the newspaper. So newspaper, it is communicating. It is giving you the information, or maybe it is asking the information. So newspaper. Okay, the newspaper gives us information every day about different places in the world. It is giving you information your advertisements. If the people they wanted to give advertisements, also you see the newspaper because you wanted. I told you the importance of newspaper. Okay, children, newspaper gives you lot of information. Made you through newspaper and magazines. Magazines also will give you information. Through magazines also you get information about the climate, weather, what are happening in the country or within the country or about the states. Everything you can come to know through newspaper. Okay, newspaper it gives you the world information also. World information also you are getting through newspaper. Next it is audio visual. Audio visual means what? Audio means you are listening to that and visual means you are seeing. What type of communication it is? It is the television. What is that? It is the television. Okay, television. It is the television. Television means it is has totally changed our concept. Well, coming to when the introduction of television came, that has completely changed the concept of our life. It is a home entertainment. Ladies sit in the house and watch so many programs in the television. Television is the main thing, communication. Once if the television is not working, you will feel like you are mad. Is it? Because small children, you enjoy seeing television, the cartoons. What are all the cartoons channel you are seeing? You will rush and see. Is it? Immediately, when holiday is there, you will enjoy. You will tell, oh, tomorrow that program I want to see. This I want to enjoy. So, it is also a mass communication. You will sit in your house and you see the same program. Whereas your friend is in some other place, he will also see the same program. That is mass communication. People are seeing at the same time. Okay. So next, television has made it possible for us to watch news. What are the things you see in the television? You see about the up-to-date news. Dates of news. What has happened at present. Presently, what is happening? Live telecast. Okay. So and the weather condition, sports event, what is occurring and the natural calamities which is happening at present, that also you will see it as a live telecast. So it is of more advantage. Television is of more advantage, but for children they will tell this disadvantage. Why? They will not study. They will stop studying and sit and listen to the music there or sports or cartoons. They spend their time there, but it is useful. Television is very, very useful. Okay, that is also there. So this is all the means of communication. I told you personal communication and mass communication. Okay, the government of India uses the radio, television and internet as means of to educate the farmers. Farmers, as they cannot go to school, what they do, the television itself, they kept one channel. In that channel, they are teaching from the basic to the farmer. During the night time, the farmers all will gather in one place and they will show it on the television, and through that they are studying. Okay, so workers and people at a large. So this one will encourage people to study in a large. Further, you see in the TV, television program, the spoken English or the how to work out with maths. These are all they are showing it on the TV. So people sit and enjoy. They listen to that. So that is the means of communication. Okay. So at large, you will get the information. Being how you will get the information through farming. How the farmers will do farming. Technology, improve technology. That also you are coming to know through the television. Industries and education benefit men and women. So in the first lesson I explained about the means of transport, and now this is about the means of communication. What is communication? Communication is the exchange of views with and ideas with others. views and ideas with others. I explained to you about the personal, that is what are the personal I told you, letters, telephone, mobile phones, email. So they are called as personal. Then mass it is radio, television, books, newspaper, magazines. These all comes under mass communication. So you should know what is communication. There in transport I told you 3 types of transport, okay, that is airways, waterways and landways. But here I told you about the personal communication as well as the mass communication, how it is useful to you, how it is useful for the country's development also. Previously there was no such thing. The pigeons used to carry the messages and go, isn't it? So now you are all advantaged people due to the improved technology. Understood, children? So I think by now you have understood the means of communication. I'll be sending you the notes. Okay, children? So one more important information to you, children. You do the admission. See, most of the children have not done your admission so far. When you do the admissions only, your attendance will be counted, isn't it? You have to pay little bit of amount. Whatever amount you are having, with that amount you can come and do your admissions. And buy the books. If you buy the notebooks, whatever the teachers are sending you, that notes you could copy it. You cannot keep it pending. Once when you will do the admissions at that time, till that time you cannot wait. That's because nowadays some 3 to 4 lessons are being started. So when will you come and do the admissions, children? I hope you will do the admissions. Okay, children? Thank you.